Hello everyone. So in my last video we talk about data frames. Okay, so continuation of that only. But only thing is here, like suppose you have two tables. Like one is having employee as a column name and group as a column name, and you have one more table in which employee is there and hiring date is there. Okay, so you want to merge these two data frame having the same employee name. So at the end it will be like employee as only one column instead of two columns, but group and hiring date will be one column. So total three columns only. So that is also possible in Pandas. So first of all, obviously import Pandas as PD. Then we are using DF1 data frame 1 as a short form actually, or just a variable name actually, in pd.DataFrame. So we require this is key and its values are in the form of list of values, you can say. Then again one more key and list of values, and then we are closing our dictionary. Then same thing, but here it is like employee will remain same name, first name, second name, third, everything is same, but we have hiring date and different hiring date 2004, 2008 and something like this. And then we are using pd.merge function, that is the part of Pandas. So pd.merge will merge your data frame 1 and data frame 2, and answer will get stored in data frame 3. When we are printing df3 we will get only 3 columns. So let us check those 3 columns first. See, employee as one column, group as second column, and hiring date as what. So employee is not coming twice. Okay, and this 0, 1, 2, 3 indicates index number. Suppose if I change only instead of Harshit, if I say for example Harsh, but here I am keeping Harshit only, same name, but here I am writing Harsh. So obviously we will not get the output of only that row Harsh. Control S F5. See, we are not getting output of only that Harsh row, but other than that, we are getting the output. So obviously, when you are merging or combining two data frames, make sure that your the one of the key and its values are actually same. Then only you can easily merge. Okay, so that is all about merging two data frames. Thank you, everyone.